Hello everyone, in this video I will share my ideas on how to travel to Positano or Amalfi from Naples based on my experience. A day trip to Positano and Amalfi in the Amalfi Coast from Naples is possible. Start your trip early in the morning. The earliest train that drives to Sorrento is the Circumvisovian. The first trip starts at 5:43 a.m. You can also check some websites for an updated schedules. There are two regular train companies that travels from Naples to Sorrento, the Campania Express and the Circumvisoviana trains. Most of the locals use Circumvisoviana trains because it's a lot cheaper. We paid €4.40 per person for one way to Sorrento, while it's €15 per person in Campania Express. You don't need reservations with Circumvisoviana train. You can buy your ticket a few minutes before the train departs. In front of Sorrento train station is the Cita bus to Positano or Amalfi. Before you fall in line, make sure you already bought a ticket for the bus. You can buy the ticket at a kiosk near the station entrance or at the Cita bus office located at the end corner outside the train station.